Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and I'm so glad that you guys are here with me today. And for my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome guys. I am delighted to have you with me. And welcome to Trending with Victoria Healthy Lifestyle. Guys, today I will be making coconut milk, and this is the coconut. This is how coconut is when it's in the shell. For those who have never seen coconut in the shell before, it's a very hard shell that it's in, and the coconut itself, it's inside with water that you can drink. You can drink the coconut water that is inside of this. So I'm going to make my coconut milk today. There's so many things that you can do with coconut milk. You can put it in your smoothie, you can put it in your oatmeal, you can put it in your porridge. You could just drink the milk by itself like when you drink any other milk. Just put some cinnamon and some honey in it. And you can use this in your rice and peas or peas and rice, whichever one you choose to call it. That's what they do in Jamaica when they're cooking their rice and peas. They add coconut to it. As I said, and you're doing like a stew peas. Again, I have a video where I make stew peas and I did the coconut powder. Well, this is the original coconut where everything comes from. So I'm gonna go outside because this is very hard and it's not just something that you crack open. It is so hard. It'll use a hammer to crack it open. I'm gonna just knock it outside on the pavement on the ground and it will crack it, and then I'm going to come back inside and cut up my coconut and put it in my blender to make my coconut milk. So guys, I cracked my coconut. So this is the coconut. Yes, this is the coconut. It's okay, and this is the shell that it came out of. It cracked. So now, and the water leak out of course. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slice it up and make my coconut milk. So I'm gonna open it. So we can open it this way because it's all cracked. This is inside of the coconut. This is the food. You know, normally like when you go to any Caribbean island, they have, you see the guys and selling the jelly. They call it jelly. It's green, and the fruit inside of it, you can scoop it with a spoon and eat it. This would be this fruit while it's still jelly. So jelly is a younger version of the coconut. This is like when it's hard and it's no longer jelly. It's like older, and you use this to make the milk and so. But once it's jelly, you could just like eat it like that. Like if you go to any Caribbean, you'll see them selling that, and I love eating the jelly. So now I'm going to cut up the coconut. So now I'm going to cut my coconut out. Okay, so you don't have to cut your coconut in any special way because it's going to go in the blender. You just want to cut it up a little smaller to fit in the blender. And I have a good blender, so my blender can manage coconut. Okay, so with this amount of coconut, it's going to be rich milk. So it depends on how you want your milk. I like my coconut milk to be rich. So I'm just going to use like 1.5 cup of water. Okay guys, it's the coconut milk. Now you have to strain it. So I will strain it here. These coconut trash are still thick. I could put more water in this and blend it again, and I'll get more milk from it. So keeping the tradition of tasting everything that I make for you. This call for one taste. So guys, this is so refreshing. As I said, you could just drink this milk. You could have some cinnamon to it and honey, but for me, I don't need any honey. I probably just had some cinnamon alone. I don't need the honey. It is sweet and it's refreshing. And this is 100% organic. As you know, I made it from scratch. Nothing against the canned coconut milk. You do with what you have. But if you could buy the real coconut and make your own milk, that is so healthy. This tastes so good, and there's so many things that you can do with coconut. You know, you can make cookies with it, coconut cookies. Oh, coconut cookies is delicious. And in Jamaica, they have like the grater cake. They call it grater cake, but it's all coconut. They use the fragments like this they use to make it. So there's so many things that you can use coconut for. And now the milk, I will be using the milk in my smoothie. I also will use it in my oatmeal because I love oatmeal. And I'm going to cook some Jamaican rice and peas, so I can use my coconut milk because I can only keep this for just a couple days in my fridge. I don't want it to spoil. So, unless if you want to keep your coconut milk for a very long time and it does not spoil, put it in your freezer and it will stay there and frozen and it will not spoil at all. But if you put it in your fridge, this is just, I would say, 3 to 5 days tops. No longer than that for it to place in your fridge. So I'm gonna find things to use to make my coconut cheese, to use my hand. And so, you know, yes. And I only paid $2.50 for this at my neighborhood supermarket. $2.50. And make your coconut milk. There's so many things you can do. If you have to buy the canned coconut milk, you have to buy a lot of canned coconut milk to make so many things. So I am very proud of this, and it's my pleasure and my honor of making things and my privilege of making things for you guys. I am so happy today. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please hit the subscribe button. It's right in red. And when you click on it, please click on the notification bell so when I upload new videos, you will get a notification. And please give my videos thumbs up. When you click on the thumbs up sign like this, it will turn into blue. That means you like my video. And share my video. Please drop me a comment below because I love comments. And in my description box, please check my description box. The good, amazing stuff are also in my description box. Like all the health benefits of coconut is in my description box. Oh, and also all the links to my social media. And I want you guys to follow me on Insta, tweet me on Twitter, and like me on Facebook. So guys, communicate with me every chance you get. And you know that for you guys who are my Facebook friends, what are on here, you guys know that I always reply to your message. And I love you guys for spending time with me. And I would say, and bon appetit.